to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. So, you guys have been requesting the fancy feet dance from the game Fortnite, and thank you so much, Flynn, for being the first one to request it. This dance is also known as the Michael Jackson leg shuffle. I'm sorry to break it to you, but it's not the same dance as the one that Myth did. But if you're interested in learning his dance, then stick around and I'll show you at the end. Okay, so let's start with the fancy feet. So your legs are here, heels are next to each other, toes are pointing outwards, and you want to go up on your toes and flicking your heels out. Yeah, so like this. Yeah, so in the beginning, just practice this part. Tap, 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 tap. Just gonna show you from the side. So from here, I wanna go heels out, back, up, back, up, back, up, back. So this move is pretty difficult to practice slow, so I would recommend taking some chairs so that you can take off some weight. Yeah, so you can go like this forever. And once you feel comfortable, you can do it without the chairs. Okay, so let's try again from here. We go on and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, I'm gonna do it one last time without the chairs. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, now we wanna add the lean. So we're gonna lean here to our right to begin with. So we're gonna go and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah, so and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so let's try that again a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, now let's try to combine this with the leaning. So we're gonna go and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So now we want to try and do the kick, 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 kick. Yeah, so when I lean to my right, I kick out with my left. Kick, back, kick, back, kick, back, kick, back. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now it's super difficult to do it slow, but if you have to do it slow, then it helps if you lean a bit more to keep the balance and then go back here, whoop. Yeah, so the slower you go, the more you have to lean. Because if I did it fast, I'm just here in the center. So let's try one more time slow, and then we can just speed it up a bit. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So the hands, they have them here as if they're holding their belt, and then they look to the leg that they're kicking out. So if we are leaning to our right, then we're gonna look here, right, left, right, left. Okay, let's try one last time. Let's just do a full 8. So we're gonna go and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay, let's do it one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Alright guys, that's it for the fancy feet dance tutorial. If you liked it, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much. And if you're interested, then I'll teach you how to do Myth's dance. dance is also known as the Spongebob dance, which I'm going to show you as a bonus. Okay, we're gonna start jumping to our right, kicking our left out, so like this. Always remember to, when you do some jumps, to prepare by go a bit down before doing the jump. So we're jumping to our right, kicking our left out. Now from here we want to jump on our right still to the center here, and then I'm bending my left leg like this, yeah, so it was straight, and now I'm bending it. So from here, jump to the center. Again, from here, 7, 8, jump. Yeah, so we're jumping out, in, 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, in, 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, in, 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, in. Now we want to do the opposite. So we're going to our left, jumping on our left, kicking our right out. So here, again, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump. So from here we want to do the same. We want to jump on our left again, whoop, and then bending our right leg. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump. So I did jump, in, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, in, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, in, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 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 jump, in. Now it looks really cool if you do it super fast like Myth does. So it's gonna be like this, 5, 6, 7, 8, and tap, 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 tap. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Again, please like, comment, subscribe if you liked it. I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys so much. Until next time.